there, my friends. Remember I told you I didn't really like the way my first project worked. I had a couple of little boo-boos. I'm going to try it again. So here's my board. I'm on my towel. You need a towel because you need to fuzz your transfer, right? Sounds crazy. All these new words that we need to learn. Surfaces and transfers and fuzz. So the transfer is sticky, really sticky. And I want to kind of make it not quite so sticky to use, so that I'm going to fuzz it with a towel. The other thing you want to do when you go to pull this off, you don't want to pull it by a corner. You want to pull it straight so that, and kind of roll it back so that you don't stretch it. All right, now I'm going to put this down. All right, and then I'm going to peel it up. Again, the same way, started at a corner is okay, but you want to make sure that you don't stretch it. All right, now I'm ready to apply it to my surface. What's cool about it too is if you put it down and think, oh, that's crooked, I don't like it, I need to move it, it's super easy. So let's say I put it down and it's a little off. No, that's not what I want. So lift it back up and I can start again. Again, if you try this with vinyl, it's over. You get one shot. So I'm going to put that down. I'm going to make sure I'm even. Smooth it all out. So what I did before was I wanted this line under the O to be white, which is great. So I have my white paste and I have the really cool Shimmer Harvest. So I wanted most of it to be in Shimmer Harvest, but this line under the O I wanted in white. What I did wrong was I then took the squeegee after I used the white and got it into the gold, which was just into the Shimmer Harvest. So take the lid off. Now I've opened these once so they don't have that little thingy. Notice that this looks like maybe yogurt in consistency. You don't need a lot, and you're going to put the excess back in. So you're going to just kind of put it down and then draw it across your stencil, your transfer, right across your, it's not a stencil, it's a transfer. You're going to draw it right across, covering all your letters, making sure it's nice and smooth in all those spaces. Okay. And now we're going to come down. Might need a little more. I'm watching out for that line. If I wasn't being crazy about it, I could just go ahead and do it. Take off the excess. But you can, you know, like it's not hard. It's probably the easiest thing I've crafted in forever. All right, get that all off, right? Take my excess, rub it back in, rinse off my squeegee. I have a little bowl of water over here to the side. Rinse off my squeegee so it's clean. My paper towel. I could have a couple squeegees and then I'd be all set. And then my white. And I need to stir that up just a little bit, get it kind of goopy. But I don't need much because it's just going to be this little line right here. But I want to be sure that I don't get it all over everything. That's what I did wrong before. Now you're thinking, oh no, she got it on the board. I did. It's so forgiving though. It's going to fix it. Don't worry. So I can do one thing quick. I can just kind of rub this off right now so I don't get it all over me. But don't worry, it's going to be fine. I'm going to take this, and again, I want to pull it straight, not crooked on an angle. I want to take the whole side. All right, nice and straight back. So, because I want to use this, you can use this up to 15 times. This same stencil. Transfer. Why am I calling it that? Keep pulling. Oh, lovely. All right. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to pop it in my bowl, the sticky side down, and I'm going to rinse this off with my fingers, and all this stuff is going to come off. All right, I'll go do that in a minute. I don't want to waste your time. And now I need to get rid of this little bit of scooge at the bottom. Right, that's not what I wanted. I'm all set, and then I can put this back in the base. Now it's not quite dry, so I want to be careful. I'm going to let it dry before I start manhandling it. Much better, much better. It's only my second time. I'm really not, I haven't done it a lot. And it's been probably 2.5 years since I've done it at all. So you can see it's not hard. You can do it. See you soon.